Hello everyone, Interlink Network Airdrop, where things stand in June 2026. Interlink has become one of the most talked about tap to earn and human verification crypto projects, attracting millions of participants worldwide. However, participants should separate facts, roadmap promises, and community speculation. My assessment is that Interlink is more advanced than many failed airdrops projects, but there are still significant uncertainties that participants should understand before expecting life-changing rewards. Let's talk about the current status of Interlink crypto airdrop. According to the Interlink's latest public roadmap and app information, the project claims to have more than 8 million users worldwide. The mobile app remains active and was updated in June 2026. Interlink is building a layer 1 blockchain focused on identity verification, AI, payments, and decentralized infrastructure. The project has been rolling out verification, migration, and token claim features ahead of its launch. The important point is that Interlink has progressed beyond the typical coming soon stage, and that coming soon stage that many airdrops never leave. Has the token been launched? No. As of early June 2026 that I'm making this video, no officially confirmed token generation event (TGE) date has been announced. No officially confirmed exchange listing date has been announced. No major exchange listing has been confirmed by the project itself. This remains the biggest unknown. Participants have been waiting for launch milestones that have been shifted multiple times. Timeline changes participants should note. The project's expected launch timeline has moved several times. The period and the expectation, initially people expected late 2025, community expected it to launch, but it did not launch. First quarter of 2026, there was widely anticipated TGE, but it has not taken place. Second quarter of 2026, revised expectation. June 2026, still waiting final confirmation. Several reports indicate that the expected TGE shifted from quarter 1 2026 into quarter 2 2026. This does not automatically mean the project is fraudulent. However, delayed launches are always a risk factor because history shows many crypto projects struggle to maintain momentum after repeated postponement. The Snapshot system is now important. One major development occurred in April 2026. Interlink activated an automated snapshot system. The system reportedly evaluates ACS, mining rate, group mining rate, referrals, ACS, bond streak. Snapshots are conducted every 2 weeks and after user rankings. Why does this matter? In the early stages, many users believed everyone would receive similar rewards. The snapshot model suggests that Interlink is moving toward a performance-based allocation system. This means active users may receive more, passive users may receive less. Late entrants could still improve rankings through activity. The tokenomics now. A critical concern, one figure repeatedly cited, is a fixed supply of approximately 10 billion ITLG tokens. That is the Interlink token. Participants should think carefully about this. Many airdrop miners make the mistake of assuming more tokens mined is equal to more money. That is false. What matters is market capitalization, that is the supply, than the price. For example, let's look at the price and the implied value. If the price is 0.01, that's a listing or launch price, then that's going to give us 100 million value for the Interlink coin. If the listing price is $0.1, that's going to give us $1 billion based on what is in circulation. If the listing price is $1, that means you're going to have $10 billion of it in circulation. A $1 listing price would imply a $10 billion valuation. That is possible, but it is extremely ambitious for a newly listed token. The most realistic price expectations are as follows. Several market commentators have estimated initial trading range 0.04 to 0.08, strong speculative range 0.1 to 0.15. Higher values would require substantial ecosystem adoption. Participants should understand that these are estimates, not official prices. If Interlink launches at 0.05 and the participant receives 20,000 tokens, that means the portfolio value is $1,000. That's 0.05 multiplied by 20,000 gives you $1,000. If it launches at 0.5, the portfolio value is $10,000 US. The difference is enormous. Therefore, predicting wealth before launch is largely speculative. The verification that is required. Interlink has begun verification, and they are rolling out token claim and verification processes. Users who fail verification may not receive allocations. That is according to CoinGabber. This suggests the project is trying to reduce bots, multiple accounts, fake identities. For genuine users, this is generally positive because it reduces dilution. Reasons for optimism on this Interlink project. There are several positive signs. Continued development. The project continues releasing upgrades and roadmap updates. Large user base. Millions of users have joined. Real utility ambitions. The roadmap includes Layer 1 blockchain, identity infrastructure, payments ecosystem, AI integration, global verification services, human verification model is also there. Unlike many tap-to-earn projects, Interlink is heavily focused on proof of human participation. Reasons why you should be careful. Delayed launches. The timeline has shifted multiple times. Another reason for care or for caution is no confirmed listing date. This remains the single biggest risk. Then the third one is massive user base means massive distribution. If millions receive tokens, selling pressure could be substantial immediately after launch. Pi network participants learned this lesson the hard way. Ambitious roadmap also. Some roadmap targets are extremely ambitious, including global payment adoption, stock exchange ambitions, and hundreds of millions of users. History shows that most blockchain projects fail to achieve such long-term goals. My assessments are as follows. If I were grading Interlink today, I will on the category of development progress, I will score them 8 over 10. On community growth, I will score them 8 over 10. On transparency of launch date, I will score them 4 over 10. On utility vision, I will score them 7 over 10. On execution risk, I will score them 5 over 10. On probability of launch, I will score them maybe between 7 and 8 over 10. Probability of life-changing wealth for average user, I will score them 2 over 10 or 3 over 10. The bottom line is that Interlink currently appears more credible than the average tap-to-earn project, but it has not yet reached the stage where participants can confidently estimate the value of their mined tokens. The biggest mistake participants can make is assuming that because they have accumulated large Interlink coins balances, they are already wealthy. Until there is a confirmed TGE date, exchange listing, actual market trading, the value of every mined token remains theoretical. The evidence today suggests that Interlink is moving toward launch, but the market, not the mining balance displayed in the app, will ultimately determine whether participants receive a few dollars, a few $100, or something substantially larger. So this is all I have for you, other update for Interlink at the moment. As I have other updates in due time, I'm going to bring them to you. Now, on the Interlink app, there is what is referred to as group mining. So if you want to join my group to mine, I just need 4 people. You can drop your user ID in the comment section of this video, and I'll pick the first 4 that I can find. The others can pick the other ones, and then other people can take part in the group mining. I'll be bringing you more information about Interlink and how to really take part and get real value from it. For instance, this group mining I'm talking about, I'm going to bring information about it. So I'll leave my referral link in the comment section of this video so that you can, and the description section, so that you can use it if you're just seeing this for the first time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.